Hey everyone, the pivot point is super important because it controls how your objects rotate, scales, and even how it aligns with other elements in your scene. Okay, I have a simple box in the scene. If I select it, you can see the pivot is right in the center of the object. Now, what if I want this pivot at the bottom of the box instead of the middle? First, go to the hierarchy panel on the right side. Under the section called Pivot, click on Affect Pivot Only. The moment you activate this, the object itself will stay still, but now the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools are going to affect only the pivot. So let's grab the Move tool and move the pivot down. Notice that the box doesn't move, only the pivot. If you want to be precise, you can use a snapping. For example, enable the Pivot Snaps toggle and snap the pivot exactly to the bottom of the geometry. That way, it's perfectly aligned. Now, let's say that you want to quickly center the pivot back to the object. You don't need to move it manually. Just click on Center to Object, and instantly, the pivot jumps back to the geometric center. This is super useful when you import models and the pivot is on a strange location. Sometimes, you might also want to align the pivot's orientation. For that, you can choose between Align to World and Align to Object. Align to World matches the pivot with the world axis, while Align to Objects keeps it aligned with the object local axis. Depending on your workflow, you will switch between the two often. Now, a quick tip. If your pivot gets messed up or behaves strangely, you can always apply a Reset XForm from the Utilities panel. This resets the object's transform and lets you reset the pivot cleanly. And before we finish, let's talk about the working pivot. But let's say I want to rotate the box around one of the top corners without actually moving the real pivot. To enable it, go to Hierarchy, Working Pivot, and activate Edit Working Pivot. You will see a new gizmo appear, usually at the origin. Now, we can move this working pivot wherever we want. Let's snap it to the top left corner of the box and then select Use Working Pivot. The cool thing is, if I rotate the box now, it rotates around this working pivot, not the actual pivot of the object. Once I turn off the working pivot, the box goes back to using the real pivot at the bottom. This is super useful when you just need a temporary pivot for a specific operation, like testing an animation or rotating an object around a custom point without committing to change the real pivot. Think of it as a temporary helper that doesn't mess up your model. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.